Okay, now you have to do it now that I have the camera. Ready? Ready? Here you go. Is that you laughing? Do it again. Let's do it again. Is that funny with that mama sneezes? Let's do it again. Is that so funny? I want to see you move your feet. Go. Are you gonna talk? What are you gonna say? Are you gonna laugh? Yeah. What do you have to say? Do you have the hiccups? Do you have that? Oh, you do. That's a big hiccup. Yeah, it is. And are you wearing that silly Halloween costume or outfit that your Mimi got you? It has pumpkins on the feet. Let's look at those feet. Look at those feet go. Look at those pumpkins on the feet. And it has I see a bat and orange arms. Okay, can you say bye-bye? Yeah. Bye-bye.